We are very happy that with the grace of kind God, our son Abhilaksh Sharma Lakshi's first song, Walls Will Fall, is getting released today. On the 151st birth anniversary of Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and the song is being dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. We are thankful to Pa Ivan Gojaya, Augustine, Elsa Melona and her complete crew. We are also thankful to Consul General of India in Medan, Shri Raghu Guru Raj, for officially releasing the song. We are thankful from bottom of our heart to our parents, my parents and Yogita's parents, and all our friends and nears and dears who have sent their congratulatory messages and blessings for Abhilaksh on the release of this song. So we would like to say all the best to Abhilaksh.
All the best, Lakshi, for your new song with lots of love. Simar Shri Ganesh ko Kara Jande Ras.
God bless you. All the best.
Hi, my name is Ivan Gojaya. This is for Lakshi. Congratulations for the brand new single, Walls Will Fall. I'm happy to be the part of this project. So I wish you good luck and once again, congratulations.
Hi, I'm Elsa Melona from Cover Magazine. The pandemic, I believe, was a challenge to produce a song in a recording studio, and so was the video shooting. But Rumah Ipong Music Studio from Jakarta has done such an excellent job, and so did Cover Magazine from Medan. We're very proud to present a video clip which hopefully is capable to convey the beautiful and strong message delivered by the song. The video shooting was mostly taken at Ash's residence, his father. The fact that ASL is a 16-year-old boy but singing a song that has a strong and educational message, a sensitive topic about different barriers in our social life such as racism, and how he's trying to break down those walls was a unique situation. So we had an idea of putting animated walls that we usually find in boys' computer game to balance out the dark lyrics he was singing in the song about being stuck behind walls. So I do hope you enjoyed the video clip. I know that ASL has got so much more up his sleeve for 2021. I do think he has bright music path in the future.
Abhilaksh Sharma is a young Indian budding singer living in Indonesia. He has come up with his professionally maiden song entitled Walls Will Fall. The song itself is catchy and exciting, but it has a strong undertone of positivity. It is heartening to note that Abhilaksh has chosen the virtues of unity, communal harmony and social inclusiveness as his theme. Through his song, Abhilaksh is sending a very positive message across the world and urging people to eschew the path of negativity and choose the path of positivity. It is appropriate and fitting that this positive song is being released on the eve of the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, whom we all know is a champion of peace, non-violence and universal brotherhood. I wish to convey my congratulations to Abhilaksh for his song and wish him all the best for the success of his song and for a great singing career. It is my pleasure now to officially release this song.
Ladies and gentlemen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Walls will fall. I will break the see the walls. Find myself confined, surrounded by the walls. What am I doing here? Need to get out of this. I'ma break the walls. And walls will fall, cause I'ma break the walls. Is it safe? Is it good? Is it nice? Is it right? Is it wrong? Is it not? Is it the world that I'm living? Is it because the color of my skin? Is it because the places where I've been? Is it gonna be a world that I'm losing? Or is just a wall that I'm breaking? Walls will fall. Walls will fall. Walls will fall. Walls will fall. In the deep, deep ocean of lies and all the cautions of the world of difference, skin and bones and cause addition, wipe your love potions. You're living in commotions. Positivity can now be your darkness deed. No, you gotta ask me. I don't know how the heck can I be? I don't know. Ain't gonna change, walking just like a zombie, even if I go solo. Hey, mother racing but shades in your face. Stand up and speed of a human race. Gonna be good or same, but sailing rivers of hope. So this was a breaking. Walls will fall. Walls will fall. Walls will fall. Walls will fall. I see the walls. Find myself confined, surrounded by the walls. What am I doing here? Need to get out of this. I'ma break the walls. And walls will fall, cause I'ma break the walls. Walls will fall. 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 Walls will fall.
Bravo, bravo, Lakshi, our Banka. The song Walls Will Fall gives a strong social message of global brotherhood. Deserves all applause from the masses. Fly high on the wings of your dreams and achieve your goal.
We are proud of you, dear Banka. May God bless you. All love and blessings from Dadi and Daddu.
Congratulations for your first song, Walls Will Fall. It's good to see you in this new avatar. We are so proud of you and all the best.
All the best.
All the best.
Hi, I'm Savita Bhatti. Congratulations, Abhilaksh, on your wonderful new song, The Walls Will Fall. What is so amazing is that not only have you lent vocals for this song, but also written the lyrics, which are so thought-provoking and so touching. It is so inspiring to see young minds trying to make a difference in the environment they live in. Congratulations. And I'm sure your song will be a wake-up call for all of us to break these man-made walls. These walls of religious discrimination, of gender and color discrimination, of hatred, of intolerance and indifference. So great job done. Congratulations once again.
I'm astrologer P. Khurana. I extend my lot of blessings on the release of your song, The Wall Will Fall. I'm sure that the message of this song would be very strong to avoid the hatred among the masses. On this day, I wish that you may go a million steps ahead in your life, and God bless you.
This is Babli Singh. A good news is one song is releasing on 2nd October. The song name is Walls Will Fall, and the singer, very talented young boy, Abhilaksh Sharma Lakshi, is a very talented boy, and the song gives you a strong social message how to break walls of differences you will watch in this song.
हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं मानिक पॉल, विनर ऑफ इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट सीजन 6, और मैं ये शॉट आउट देना चाहूँगा अभिलाष शर्मा के लिए. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कंग्रेचुलेशन फॉर योर न्यू सॉन्ग रिलीज. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड गाइस प्लीज़ सपोर्ट अभिलाष शर्मा, क्योंकि वो बहुत कम उम्र में इतना अच्छा सॉन्ग रिलीज़ कर रहा है और ये सॉन्ग का थीम बहुत ही अच्छा है, कीप ग्रोइंग.
मैं रजत रॉय बॉलीवुड से. ये मैसेज स्पेशली अभिलक्ष के लिए है. कांग्रेचुलेशन अभिलक्ष, आपने जो गाना गाया है वॉल्स विल फॉल, ये एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सोशल मैसेज जाता है. आपको बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन. आप बहुत अच्छा करें, बहुत बड़ा बने और अपना नाम ऐसे ही बढ़ाते रहें.
Well done, Lakshi. You have done a very good job. Wish you all the best. We are all very happy for you and believe that the walls will certainly fall one day.
Hi, Lakshi. You have really grown up a big boy now. Well done. I saw your song. The lyrics is very good. I wish you very, very successful releasing of the song. All the best, Lakshi, for your song.
Yeah.
All the best, Lakshi. Wish you all the best.
Mr. Ryan here from Sis Medan. We're really proud of you at Sis because the message that you're giving is really a relevant one at this time. It's not just the real walls that students and like yourself are stuck behind at the moment, but also breaking down those barriers, which is part of international education. Congratulations, and on behalf of all of us at Sis Medan, well done.
You have no idea that how much glad I was when I first listened to your song. It's a very nice song and I'm pretty sure that everyone will love it. Keep loving yourself, your passion and your family, and keep succeeding in your life. We all are very proud of you and we all love you lots. I wish you a very, very all the best for your upcoming album.
Hi Lakshi, congratulations on your new endeavor. Keep it up and all the best.
Congratulations. I was one of the first people to hear your song. So proud of you. All the best for you.
His name goes singer Abhilaksh. Just targeting the demolition of the walls of differences, hatred, colors, conveying and spreading the message of the positivity through his newly launched English song Walls Will Fall. Good luck, Abhilaksh.
Hi, Lakshi.
Hello, Bhaiya.
We are proud of your hard work and achievement. Congratulations.
It's a wonderful tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, the greatest freedom fighter the world has ever seen, who made the walls of the mighty British Empire to fall without any arms. Your song will change the mindset and the wall will really fall. All the best for your upcoming video album, The Walls Will Fall.
Congratulations, Lakshi.
On your new hit single, Walls Will Fall.
Hopefully the song brings joy to people. Congratulations.
Hey Lakshi, many congratulations. We are super excited and waiting for the world premiere of Walls Will Fall and wishing you all the best. Love you.
Good luck, Lakshi. I congratulate Abhilaksh Sharma for his new venture, new song, Walls Will Fall. This will give a social message to break the walls of differences, haters and color. We believe the new series of this song will bring more positivity in the society and community. Congratulations, Abhilaksh, for your passion, for your hobby, and for this new venture. Keep it up. Take care.
भोला सुंदर और छबीला प्यारी सी मुस्कान है, गुण भरे हैं इतने सारे, अभिलक्ष जिसका नाम है. Heartiest congratulations, dear Abhilaksh, and best wishes for your upcoming video. Keep shining.
Greetings from Germany. I totally adore and admire this new performance. You rock fan at such a tender age, writing such a poetry, such a meaningful poetry. This song has come up so well your singing was outstanding. Keep it up. You're a singing sensation. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and definitely this composition is going to work.
I am Kumar Aditya from New Delhi, India. It is enchanting to see our young generation pumped with the feelings of generosity and relativity in the doctrine of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam by demolishing the walls of caste, creed and color through the song Walls Will Fall.
उसके बाद आपके बेटे को अभिलक्ष शर्मा को बहुत बहुत बधाई और बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद। आप बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं कि आपकी विरासत आगे जा रही है। माँ सरस्वती की कृपा सभी पर नहीं होती। बहुत ही मुबारकबाद बच्चे ने जो इंग्लिश में Walls Will Fall का गीत लिखा है।
Congratulations on the launch of your first single, The Walls Will Fall.
Hi, this is amazing news, and we know that this is just a beginning. So congratulations and all the best.
Hi, Lakshi.
Hope you are well.
Congratulations on your new song.
Walls Will Fall.
Sending you loads of love
And good wishes
from
Mary
Make India
and your parents
proud.
You are rising star here. You have sung very well this song, Walls Will Fall. Yes, it has a social message and you have sung it very well here. All the best. Thank you so much. All right.
All the best, Lakshi. Scale greater heights.
Congrats, Lakshi. Keep up good work.
Wish you all the best.
And have a great future ahead.
Congratulations on your first song, Walls Will Fall. What a strong social message. We should break the walls of differences, hatred, colors, and only positivity be our dynasty. Like our Indonesian slogan, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Today is the beginning of your next chapter. Keep up good work and keep up learning.
It's Dinah and Murray from Canada. We want to wish you all the best with the release of your new song coming out. The subject matter, which is regarding racial and systemic discrimination.
Lakshi, we are very, very proud of you and we wish you all the best.
Your first song launching today, congratulations.
Congratulations, Lakshi. Wish you all the very best.
And have a successful future.
Congratulations, Bhaiya.
Best of luck, Lakshi.
Heartily congratulations to you for your first release of your song. And we hope that this song will try to help and mitigate the differences in the world. Once again, very much congratulations.
Lights, camera, action.
Stay tuned, stay focused.
Best luck, Abhilaksh.
All the best, Abhilakshi, for your first song.
Walls will fall.